Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've done plenty of videos on power clipping inside of a frame. So you just pick your picture and go to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, and you get your picture. I do not like power clip because then one, you've lost your picture, and two, you have to go through edit, and some people say it actually bleeds through there. I always use the Intersect tool because it works and you still have your picture. Now, so he asked about drawing it with the pen tool. So any of these are a pen tool. I'm just going to use my freehand, and you don't even have to close the cell for this to work, which just amazes me. Go to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. I mean, look at that. I didn't even have to close the cell. It will actually even work on Intersect. I would have thought you would for sure would have to, if it didn't work, you'd have to fill it in with a Smart Fill tool and make a new shape. Now, you wouldn't want to do that because you're going to get a rough edge where that shape closed. But anyway, if I understood the question, that's what he was wanting. I don't think you could do it with it open too much. Let's just draw a rectangle without only 3 lines. Surely this isn't going to work. Wow, that's pretty cool. I learned a little bit today too. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.